Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this oval shape. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here we make a slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 4 chain crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now we will join our first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. First and last. So we will get a very small tiny bit circle in between. I'll just show you. See, here I join my first and last stitch with slip stitch. Okay, and after that 1 chain crochet stitch. Okay, now see, we are getting a very small tiny bit circle, a very small hole in between. See, can you see that? Yeah. Now we are going to make stitches each time passing a needle from that hole. I'll just tell you. Now see, we will yarn over. See, we will yarn over. Insert a needle in that hole. Okay. And then grab the yarn, pull through. And now we make a half double crochet stitch. In this similar pattern, see, yarn over, insert that needle in the hole and grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. In similar pattern, we have to make 4 half double crochet stitches. In total 4. Okay. And just don't take that small free and yarn into your stitches. We are supposed to pull it afterwards. Okay. See, yarn over, insert the needle through the hole and grab the yarn, pull through, then make a half double crochet stitch. Sorry for the background noise, my kid is playing. Here we are done with the 4. Now we make double crochet stitches. That also we are going to make in the same pattern. Yarn over, insert the needle through the tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. So pattern is going to be 4 half double crochet stitches, 4 double crochet stitches, followed by 4 half double crochet stitches, followed by 4 double crochet stitches. Okay, so I'll just complete this foundation round, basic round, and I'll show you. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch or half double crochet stitch, it is already placed on my YouTube channel. In fact, it is link is given in description also. It is quite easy to understand, and I have given quite slow demonstration, so you won't have any problem to understand. So you can refer that also. Okay, I'll just complete this round and I'll show you. Okay. Now see, I'm done with my 4 half double crochet stitches, 4 double crochet stitches, then 4 half double crochet stitches, and again 4 double crochet stitches. Now we will join the first half double crochet stitch and last double crochet stitch with the slip stitch there. So like my basic foundation round is complete. Now rest all design will come on it. Okay, now we start with the first round. Now pattern for first round is going to be, we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch, and in next stitch we will make 2 half double crochet stitches. Okay, now most important thing in this pattern is going to be 1 2 1 2 for all around the circle. Only you have to remember, please put markers between the where we switch from half double crochet stitch to double crochet stitch. Please put markers, because where half double crochet stitches are there, we are going to make only half double crochet stitches, and where double crochet stitches are there, we are going to make only double crochet stitches. No mix match is going to happen, or else it will change complete design. So please place markers. That will avoid any kind of confusion is there. And one more thing, you remember that free and yarn we were not taking into our stitches. Now we will pull it quite hard, so like middle space is packed completely, so we get a like solid oval shape, no ring pattern or nothing, solid oval shape. Okay, now we will continue with the pattern. Now see, for where we made 4 half double crochet stitches, for their pattern was 1 2 1 2. Now for double crochet stitches also it is same. In first double crochet stitch we will make 1 double crochet stitch, and in next double crochet stitch we will make 2 double crochet stitches in one single stitch. Okay, so till we finish with the double crochet stitches we are going to do 1 2 1 2 pattern. And when we switch to half double crochet stitches, again it is going to be 1 2 1 2, only half double crochet stitches will be there. I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. See, here we have completed our first round. Okay, now we will go for the second round. Now for second round pattern is going to be one half double crochet stitch in one stitch, one half double crochet stitch in next stitch, and in third stitch we will make 2 half double crochet stitches in one stitch. Okay, so this is like with each row in each round. First round we made one half double crochet stitch in one stitch, and in second stitch we made 2 half double crochet stitches in one stitch alone. Then in round 2 we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch, again 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch, and in third stitch we made 2 half double crochet stitches. Okay, in one single stitch. So in fourth it will be, for 3 continuous stitches we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch, 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch, and 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch, and in fourth stitch we will make 2 half double crochet stitches in one stitch itself. So fourth it will be 4 half double crochet stitches in 4 continuous stitches, 1 1 1 1, and in fifth we will make 2 half double crochet. So this is a basic pattern. As you go on increasing round, so your number of half double crochet stitches, single stitches in one single stitch, it goes on increasing. Okay, so for example it is round 7, so you will make in 7 continuous stitches, you will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch for 7 continuous stitches, and in 8th stitch you will make 2 half double crochet stitch in one stitch. Okay, so you can make it as big as you want, and it will be flat. It won't have those curls or wiggles, nothing. It will be flat. So that is the pattern, how you make it as bigger as you want. So I'll just complete this third round and I'll show you. Here, see, I've completed my third round. Now I will join my first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. I'll make one more round and I will show you fourth round also. So like you will get a good idea that how to go on increasing the rounds and how to make it as bigger as you want. What changes you have to make. So just remember, if it is round 1, so one half double crochet stitch, and in second 2 half double crochet stitches in one stitch, and it's like only half double crochet stitches for the portion where half double crochet stitches are there, and double crochet stitches for where double crochet stitches are there. No mix match. Please place markers for avoiding any kind of confusion. I'll just complete this thing and I'll show you. Using the same technique, you can make it as big as you want. So I'll just finish it up. And now see, for the last step, what we are going to do, whatever rounds you want to make, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, whatever rounds. So last step, just make one slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it. One slip stitch in each single stitch. So it gives you a good border. So this is how we make a oval shape. So this is how a oval shape looks like, and this is how it is supposed to be made. And I've shown you technique also how to make it as bigger as you want. So those who have already subscribed my channel, thank you, thanks a lot. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos, and many videos are already there on YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel. So please do subscribe Sanjs Aasha, and if you like the video, like, comment and share. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.